Righto, now where is that Allen key for the kid's bike seat? I know it's in here somewhere. That doesn't belong there. Either does that. Looking, I know it's here. This happens every single time. Sound familiar? G'day folks, Uncle Knackers here from DIY for Knuckleheads, and welcome to episode 3 of my workshop hacks, tips and tricks video series. And if you want to see more stuff just like this, you know what to do. Bang and bang. Beauty. Okay, let's face it, for most of us out there, the insides of our toolbox look a bit like a dog's breakfast. Exhibit A and Exhibit B. Now the problem with having a messy toolbox, guilty, like you saw at the start of the video, is that it can be a little difficult and frustrating to quickly identify and lay your hands on a tool when you need it. Now today's awesome workshop hack is sent in by, wait for it, Modus Operandi. Modus Operandi. Could be wrong, but I don't think that's his real name. But his tip is an absolute cracker. It's so simple, it just screams common sense. Oh yeah, and speaking of screams and toolboxes, I've got a quick one for you. What monster in the toolbox are all the tools scared of? Vampires. What? I thought that was pretty good. You guys, you're getting so picky. Now just very quickly before I share today's workshop hack, if you entered my last competition to win one of those amazing Studpop Stud Finders, keep watching because I'll be drawing the winner of that one very shortly. It could be you. Alrighty, onto this week's tip. In most households, usually there's at least 1 or 2 Allen keys that you use more often than others. For example, for me, I have 1 Allen key that I use to make the various adjustments to the kids' bikes, like moving the seat up and down, which seems to be a daily occurrence these days. And the other is the Allen key that I use to constantly repair the dodgy tap that I have in the laundry. Gotta replace that tap. Drives me mental. Instead of wasting all that time sorting through all this jumble each and every time trying to find the right Allen key for the job, today's hack is to simply spray paint the ones that you use on a regular basis a specific colour, or you can even just wrap some tape around them to make them easily identifiable. How simple is that? And the good news is that you'll never have trouble locating those pesky Allen keys ever again. Great tip, Knackers! Thanks for that, Modus. Great tip, mate. Now if you can just direct message me with your shipping details to my Instagram account, which you can find down below, that way we can get one of my stickers sent out to you. Now it's your turn. If you've got a fantastic simple workshop hack, tip or trick and you want to share it with the rest of the world, make sure you check out my submission requirements under the socials section in the description box down below. I'd love to see them. Alrighty, competition time. Now just before I draw the winner, I want to give a big thank you to everybody out there who took the time to enter. I have to say this was a very popular competition with well over 100 entries. Impressive. Okay, let's do this. I'm on my Stud Finder video. Now if I go across here, the random comment selector gizmo is brought to you by TubeBuddy, which are these guys in red. Now I'm a massive fan of TubeBuddy and I use them every single time to optimize my videos prior to upload. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link to those guys down below where you can check out their free software. Alrighty, we'll click on the icon and that brings up this box. And we'll go down to the pick a winner, which is there, and that brings up this box, which is the running a contest on this video box, and the green box down here is the pick a winner. Alrighty, drum roll maestro. Here we go. Ding, and bang. Congratulations, Alan Hunold. You've won the Stud Pop, mate. Well done. So Alan, if you can direct message me with your shipping details to either my Instagram account or my Facebook page, which you can find down below, that way we can organise to get that stud pop out to you. Now, if you want to see more videos like the one you just watched, check out my 2 playlists, which should be popping up over there anytime soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and found that video useful. And if you did, a big thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Alrighty, after all that, I think I need a cup of tea. So till next time, please remember to wash your hands, be good, be safe, and I'm out of here. Cheers.